the shop, gonna get a little bit of work done on the roll cage. Not sure where we left off last time, but right now we got the steering column kind of finished up, and some of the tubes were mocked up, like this one right here. That was gonna go across, but it was just a little bit short, so the gaps aren't tight like I want them. So I'm gonna repurpose that and probably have those to the down bars in the back. So the seats are out right now. They're sitting over there. Brackets are all done. So I'll get a piece cut and weld it in, see what it looks like. Right here, a little more taken off of it. I'm gonna have to put this over here actually. Yeah, same thing with that one. So I'm gonna take a little bit off of this side. See how that looks. Doesn't take much for a pipe not to fit. Perfect fit after that trim, so I'll bevel the edges and tack it in place. Alright, I got her tacked in. The fitment's pretty good. I like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and burn everything in. Damn near perfect. You can see a little bit of a shadow right there, but that's just where I beveled it. There's actually not a gap. So burn it in real quick and see how it looks. Oh, where's the clubs at? Where's my welding hood at? Alright, here's what we're looking at. Well, obviously it's a weld, but all burned in. I'm not a professional by any means, but I can join two pieces of metal together. Try and spend some time getting your fitment good, and you won't have to make welding mistakes trying to fill some gaps. I got everything done on the cage that I could do. I ran out of tube, so these are both in and welded. So the two down bars are done. Still need to make a harness bar, the cross that goes in the back, and the windshield bars. So I'm gonna work on the turbo. I really don't have a lot to do on that either. Obviously we can't fit a V-band right here and a 90. We're gonna bring a 90 out of here, and then our own custom clamp. That seems to work very well. So I'll get that welded up. I don't weld a whole lot, obviously, on the TIG welder, but I don't think it turned out too bad. I did have a little bit of overlap on the inside, so hopefully that'll add a little bit of structural support. So no burn throughs or anything. So So I'll let that cool down, and hopefully Damon's done getting that our flange made, and then I can finish up the wastegate, wrap up a few things, maybe work on the brake lines, and then I think this thing is down here ready to fire up. Oh, waiting on a core. I did email Mishimoto about getting a core over here, so hopefully they get back to me here tomorrow. They're closed this weekend, but yeah, we can start working on the intercooler, get all the lines made. Need to stop over at Linder Performance, get a couple of his clamps so we can use the existing one on his intake and turbo. Obviously his other side of the clamps are on his intercooler on this Mark IV. I think I'm going to wrap up the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Entered a little far from the road. Way over there at the bottom of this hill. Kind of took a detour, hit some trails. Yeah, it's kind of right next to the highway, but
ride right to it and get on it.
Rode these little tiny dirt bike trails, on the street bikes. Nobody went down. We're gonna continue the journey back. Hit some more trails, see what we can't find. Maybe hit a ramp jump if we can find it.
Find it. Yeah.
Motoring down the hill, and Damon comes across this little jump right here. Are you gonna hit it? I'll hit it if you don't hit it. It's pretty small. How's the face? Oh, super short. Oh shoot, it's a carpet jump, a miniature carpet jump. No traction? Well, oh, there's my finger. Burp, burp. And you land like down here. No, like right where you're standing. Up there by the tower. Hit a couple jumps. It's a little sketchy, not gonna lie. We're down by the road now, letting the bikes cool down because they are ripping. Almost 220. Down there, ramp jump. Let's come back to that. It's getting a little dark, otherwise I'd send it. That one too.
I think we can check that out. So let's look at it.
We could check it out. It's a little too dark to send it on the street bikes, but maybe another time. All right, to the next obstacle. On the street bikes. Just smashed a rock down there. And you're clunk, clunk, clunk. Here's a bigger carpet jump. It's not too big though, really. It's like 30 feet. That's just a nice old first. Probably 2 flat tires.